password, but that is not Git account password. From the account settings, you have to generate personal access token and you have to submit it. TL created the project, kept in local repository, push it to central repository. Developer created the cloned copy of central repository, you got the project. Then developer has done some modification to the file, committed the changes to local and push it towards central repository, and TL has pulled the changes. So you got the updations, boss. So let us assume developer has got a task to complete and is developing m1.java file. What file, guys? Or arithmetic.java file to complete the task. Arithmetic.java file to complete the task. Yes. So now let's see, guys. Okay. What is this? com.nt. Some package service. Okay. Arithmetic. What is there, guys? Arithmetic. Tell me here, what is this? Public int sum into x comma into y return x comma y. This is the task done by whom, guys? Developer. Okay, he will write test cases. He feels that's perfect. Then he has to commit the code now, my dear. Come on. Right. Save it. Once saved, it is coming there. Put the 3 hyphen symbols. Come on. Yeah, here is what, guys? Yeah, here is what, guys? I want reply, my dear. Okay. Task 1 by developer 1. Task 1 by developer 1. Here, what is there I am doing? Commit and push. Yes, actually it should pick up automatically master branch. Here is what, guys? Master branch. Then push it. Commit and push I am doing, guys. What do you mean by commit and push? Commit means local repository. Some revision number is generated, my dear. Okay. But now you go to TL machine, guys. You go to TL machine, right click. You observe that package is there. As of now, not there. Okay. Then we have to go for what is that? Pull changes. Now we can do fetch operation also, but fetch will reflect to only local repository. Then we have to do merge operation or some other operation to get the changes to this place, right? Okay, but pull is the best option, guys. It will reflect to local repository and also reflect to whom, guys? Reflect to local repository, also reflect to whom, guys? My Eclipse workspace also reflects to what? Eclipse workspace. Right click, team. Remember this team option. Whenever you want to work with the Git team, lot of options are there to use. Click on what? Pull. See, guys, once you do pull, guys, it is taking time. Are you able to see which one is pulled? The current revision number has come or not, guys? com.nt.service. This is my arithmetic.java. Okay, in that one, code has come now, my dear. Okay, code has come. But TL felt that he has taken only integer, but value can be any range. That's why he has taken what? Double X, double Y. Double X, double Y. Return type is also what? Double. Double X, double Y. Return type is also this. Okay, guys. Task 1 modification by TL. Task 1 modification by TL. Commit and push. Push add. Click on push. Done, boss. Okay, guys. Now I have done modification here. Array, what happened? I changed it, na? Where I changed it? In developer one or this one? Array, developer one I have done. Okay, no problem. Once again, let me try. TL want to modify the code, guys, right? Okay, now let the TL pull the code once. What is there? Pull. It's saying up to date. No need of modification. It's up to date. Okay, go to developer now. Okay, developer also. It is up to date. Huh? No, am I in developer TL only? 1 minute. Developer. Okay. So here, what is the one I have to do, guys? Team. Here, what is there? Pull option. Reference. What is there? Master. Which one you want to get? This one. Yes. Modification is reflecting or not there. Okay, we have done addition of the file, modification of the file. Then what is there? Deletion we have to see now, my dear. Okay, somehow team developer felt that I'm not using this package. Let's not entertain that package. Delete it. Any change you do that will come over there now, boss. Okay, any change you do that will come over there or not there. Okay, guys, tell me here. Deletion by task one. Deletion by task one. Commit and push. What is this, guys? Commit and push. Here is what? Master. Say preview. Say push. Okay. Here deletion is done. This is gone. But it should reflect somewhere else. It should reflect on ATA, guys. Right click. Tell me. Right click. Team. Where is this? Save finish. Okay, even deletion is done over there or not there. Like this in team, any member can do any operation. After doing unit testing, once he feel his code is stable, first commit to local repository. From there he pushes to what? Central repository. Come on. And other people will pull the code or not there. Other people will definitely pull the code or not there, guys. Online students, am I visible for you? Online students, is my screen visible, guys? Is everything good? Yashwant Reddy, problem is your side, not from my side. Please check it out. Okay, edition of the file we have seen. Edition of the file we have seen. Come on, guys. Modification of the file we have seen, right? Okay, next one. Deletion of the file also we have seen. Are you getting my point there or not there? Okay, that's great. Can we roll back if developer unexpected deletes the package? You cannot, na? Once committed, there is no question of getting back. Only the thing is, go to previous revision and make it as a latest revision. Go to previous revision of the file and make it as what? Latest revision. But that is always danger situation because in middle, whatever changes done, they are gone. Deletion revision 3. After 10th revision, you realized, oh, I should not delete the package, right? So you can make revision 3 as the 11th revision. But the problem is what? Revision 3 becomes 11th revision, but 4, 5, 6 to 10, whatever done changes are done, you will be losing it now, boss. That's why before you commit, you have to be very careful. That's the reason they are even giving task comment section also to control your excitement, right? Okay. Would you like to create another developer to perform this operation? You create any number of developer. Abhay, I have taken one team leader, one developer. Team leader is also kind of developer only. You can create any number of developers you want. Here, concept is important. Number of developers are important. Okay, guys. Right. Rajat Kumar, industry uses IDEs, not the command based. Okay, na? Command based is required when you want to become what? DevOps engineer of AWS. AWS DevOps, in that time commands are required. But uh, as a full stack developer, you have to worry about IDE based only. I already said this DevSecOps tools are purely related to what, guys? Full stack Java developer. So I will teach everything from developer perspective, not in administration perspective or DevOps engineer perspective, right? Okay, so that is a different course. This is a different course. These are the tools related to developer, that to Java full stack developer. Fine, guys, come on. Right. And the same operation through commands also we can do. But when there is a guarantee everyone work with ID as a developer, why we should bother about command base? As a DevOps engineer administrator, you have to worry about command. Otherwise, happily you can work with what? IDE based. Okay, now listen, guys. This some changes are there in the project now. So many I created project, folders are added, deleted, new files are added. I want to get that history, boss. I would like to get that history. Right click, guys. Come on, everyone. Right click, guys. Show in history. Show in what? History. Okay. See, guys, we are getting all the things. Actually, I'm getting other Natras for everyone, boss, because computer is only one. In this computer, OS username is Natras. Suppose you are doing from three different machine, everyone different username is there. So username will come differently here now, boss. To avoid that confusion, only in the comment I have mentioned TLR developer or TLR developer. So you can go back to any previous task. For example, this is the last work, right? Head means what? Latest. Head means what? Latest. Head to copy means latest. Okay. Suppose I clicked on this, guys. I clicked on this. I clicked on this. 23 hours ago it is done. Natras has done 23 hours ago. TL created the project is coming or not coming. Task one by this. This is the messages. All activities on the project we are able to see now, my dear. Okay, look at the history of the file now. Now, history of the project we have seen. Now, let me go for history of the file, which is what? Team. Tell me now. Where is this? Show in history. Show in history. Task 1 by developer 1. Task 1 modification by TL. Task 1 by developer 1. Okay. Task 1 by developer 1, right? Public class arithmetic. Public class what? Arithmetic. Double x, double y. Return x plus y. Int x comma into y. Return x plus y. Double x, double y. Int x into y. Return what? X plus y. Task 1 modification by TL, guys. This is the latest code now, boss. We are able to compare now when it comes to file. This is the latest code. This is the previous version code. We are able to compare both, my dear. Okay, that's great. Like this, it's a continuous work. But listen, one small suggestion, guys. Whenever you start your work in a day, first pull the changes. Otherwise, what happened? Someone already modified file kept in the repository without getting updation of that. Same file, same lines you are modifying. Then what happens, guys? Your changes will create conflict with their changes, now, my dear. Yes, that's why my suggestion to you people is the minute you start the work, pull the latest code from the repository. Point number one, pull the latest code from the repository. Okay. Every 1 hour or at least every 2 hours, you try to pull the changes. You try to pull the changes. So that means you always maintaining latest and updated code or not, guys. Or at least once in a day, you better to pull the code. Okay. So now I'm creating one problem and I'm asking about solution of that problem. I'm creating the problem and I'm going to apply solution for that problem. So that is called creating conflicts, guys. How to get the conflicts when two people are simultaneously working on what? Same file, same lines. There is a possibility of getting conflict or not, guys. There is a possibility of getting conflict or not, guys. Come on, everyone. This is my paint, guys. File, open, class content, tools FS, class content. What is there? Tools FS. Tell me. 701. Tools FS. 701. What is there? Git Github. Let me open the document, guys. Here is my file, save as PNG, session 1 and 2. Session 1 and 2. Yeah, yesterday we learned all this thing. Shall we concentrate on creating conflicts, guys? I hope everyone practiced it, guys. Okay. Make the TL pulling the changes from remote repository to working copy. Make TL to add, modify, delete codes push. Make a developer one to get the changes. Understanding conflict creation and resolving the conflicts. We need to think about how to resolve the conflicts or not, guys. See, if everything going smoothly, conflict won't come. One or other place mistake happened, protocol is not found, process is not found, then only conflict may create, right? Then only there is a chance of creating what? Conflicts, guys. Listen, all these are very, very important after joining in the company. You are good in Java, good in Springs, good in what? Advanced Java. But without this, your day looks very heavy to complete in a company. Your, your TL saying that pull the changes and work on the code. You don't know what is pull, you don't know what is Git, and you are shown gap as experience and you cannot ask anyone also, right? But as a fresher also, if they are, if you ask this kind of basic thing, they will look at you top to bottom. They know everyone is busy in their task in the company, boss. No one will have time to spend a time with you to clarify your doubts. It's not. Lots of people thinks that in office, Annas will be there, Annas will come and help. Okay, Anna has got his own task, guys. He got his own pressures, right? Maybe girls thinking that Akka will be there. Akkas will come and Akkas never help. At least some of the Annas will come help. Aisa no na, guys. Akkas will never help. They just take light. Because everyone is busy their task completion. And moreover, they find these things very simple things. They expect you should have that knowledge. Mostly they will say, go and watch so and so YouTube, the channel. or they will forward the link what they have watched earlier. They never spend time for you because they have their own day to complete. They have their own task to complete. No, after I have seen so many freshers because of their inefficiency, they start blaming. No one is helping. Why someone should help? Are you giving your salary to them? Are you paying anything extra to him? Are you not taking salary? You are taking. Then why someone should come and help? They guide you, but don't expect they should come and solve everything for you. They do that when once personal rapport is built among the team members, they help each other. But initial 3 months, that personal rapport will not come. So that is the time where you have to be very strong and very motivated, and you should have friendship. You should talk to other seniors, friends who are working in other companies, explain your problem, get a suggestion from them, and apply over here. Or read documentation, use chat GPT. You do 10 experiment, at least one experiment will work out. Or at the end of the day, explaining your problem, send mail to me. I may guide you a little bit. Still, daily I get 100 mails, guys. Every day before I sleep, my work is what replying mails only. I'll get 70 to 100 mails per day. In that one, 30 to 40% mails are from classroom students, especially online student. I don't know why offline students will never have any doubt. Feel friendly. Come to me after a class. Clarify your doubts. I'm really worried why offline students only will not have doubts, why online students will have more doubts. I really expect some people will come to me after the class will clarify doubts. Very few people will come. That too, this error is coming, what to do? No, I want some logical question. I should feel why I have not thought in this angle so far. You should make me to analyze subject more and more. You should make me to revise something and come back. I want such kind of queries from you. Max to match, a red color screen, what is the solution for this problem? Array, for that one, chat GPT is there. Go to the first line of error, copy, paste in chat GPT, he will give a number of solution. Those days have gone. Okay, Stack Overflow also doing same thing. Git to Copilot is also helpful for that. DeepSeek or something is there. That is DeepSeek is also there. That is also helping a lot. But think something with a different IQ. I'll appreciate that. Ayaram Gayaram. Mhm. Fine. Whatever it is. Okay. That means you are not parallelly analyzing subject, just listening, practicing, and going. You are not thinking parallelly. When you are learning something, one parallel thread should work on that subject. That time only all new queries, new ideas will come. Fine, let it be, guys. To see the history of the project tar file, right click on project file, show history, displays all version revision. Clicking on click on any revision to get the code. That revision code you can get it, guys. So like this, we can feel the versions of the code or not, guys. But right now, what is our target, guys? Creating the conflict and resolving the conflict. Conflict is created means somewhere you are doing some mistake. Especially what you know, without pulling the code, you are modifying the same lines which is already modified by other developer. Then you are pulling. First you are trying to commit. It notices other lines are there in the same lines. Okay, it says conflict is there. In that situation you are pulling. So when you pull, what happens, guys? It shows conflict. Already these changes are there, so other changes are there. It is not matching with the head content. Okay, so it will show the conflict. So you have to resolve the conflict, guys. So when you ask for resolving the conflict, it will show original code, modification done by other developer, this developer. Okay, all the three things, your choice. You can keep only one version. You can keep to both versions. if it is applicable, or you can remove both versions. That's up to you. You have a freedom to do whatever you want. You have a freedom to do whatever you want. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Come on. Understanding conflict creation and resolving the conflicts. Understanding the conflict creation and simply resolving the conflicts. Okay, guys. Make developer one modifying a.java at line number 5. If not a.java, for us arithmetic.java. What is the modification? 456. And make him not to commit the code. Make TL modifying a.java at same line number 5 and make him to commit the code. Okay, same line number 5, TL has done some modification. This fellow has done modification but not committed. When developer one tries to commit the code, he will get what? Conflict error. Fail fast forward rejected. Fail fast forward rejected. That is the error he is going to get now, my dear. Come on. Okay. Can we feel the conflict first? Okay. First developer one. Okay. He has got some lines here, guys. Okay. Super. At line number, not only 5, anywhere you can write. Return, okay, x plus y, save it. But he has done modification but not committed. Right? Okay, guys. Go to developer mission, guys. Open arithmetic.java. Okay. This fellow also modifying what? Same x plus y. X plus y plus x minus y. Some logic, guys. I think is right, huh? Here x plus y, x minus y. No, not correct. This logic is right, huh? No. Okay. Okay. Plus 0. Some logic I done. Here modification is done. This fellow is not only modifying, guys, he is also committing it or not, guys. Say commit. Say commit it. Tell me here, what is this? Commit. Modification by TL. Modification by TL. Adding 0. Commit and push. Yes, my dear. Return x plus y. What is there? Return x plus y. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Return x plus y. Okay, this time modification is there. I am saying plus plus. Modification by dev1. What is there? Dev1. Okay. Same line number 6. Commit and push. Here, what you want, where you want to push? To the master. Master means what? Main copy. Master means what, guys? Main copy. Say push. Master rejected non-fast forward. Master rejected. What is there, guys? Non-fast forward. That means there is a problem. There is a problem. That means someone modified the same lines, guys. That to same file. Then what we should do? So now problem we understood, guys. Non-fast forward. It won't look like a problem, actually problem. Check it out. Push head. Okay. Master. What is there? Master. Push. It's a error, guys. This is error. Push to it is giving, but it is showing error or not, guys. Rejected non-fast forward, guys. Okay, guys. Non-fast forward. Right, guys. This is my push head master. Here is my what? Push. Non-fast forward. Are you getting my point here, guys? Everyone. Yeah, this is called conflict. How to resolve the conflict? Make dev one pull the project. Make dev one to pull the project, guys. Then a.java show both repo code, repository code, and our code. Our changes, the one that are committed to the repository. Keep repo code or delete our code, commit and push, or keep both codes or only one side code. Your choice, guys. It's whatever you want, you can do it. To avoid conflicts, before commit, push the before commit and push, perform pull operation. Pull the code at regular interval. If you do these two things, guys, maximum times conflicts can be avoided or not, guys. Conflicts can be avoided or not, guys. Okay, let's see. Developer one now, he has to resolve the conflict or not, guys. Okay, let him make how to resolve the conflicts, guys. Come on. Right click. Right click. Where is this? Team pull. What is there? Master, guys. Master. Say finish. See, guys, it is showing. Head means current code head. This is collected from repository. Green color comment means this is collected from repository. Come on. And this has come for whom, guys? This is our code. This is our code. Okay. According to current logic, is it possible to keep both, guys? We cannot keep both. Can we keep both, guys? No. Only one thing we can keep. Only one thing we can keep. Okay. Let's keep only repository code, not our local code. Remove this local code. Remove this. Remove ugly messages completely. Okay. Save this. Once saved, this one. Okay, it is giving automatically, guys, merging master all this stuff, whatever it is. Okay, this is regular issue, master. Click on push, guys. Click on push. It's coming or not coming, guys. Come on, everyone. It's coming or not coming. I want reply, my dear. Got the clarity, my dear? Super, guys. Okay, guys. Right. So this is how we have to resolve the conflicts. Fine, whatever it is. TL, let the TL get the updation. Okay, whatever there is, that's one same thing we are getting. Here, what is there? Update. Here is my pull option. What option, guys? Pull option. Say okay. Here is my pull option. The changes are coming or not there. If situation demands, you may write both also. You may keep both also. Okay, now let me add some text document. In text document, no problem. You can keep any number of lines or not, guys. Or let us assume comments, guys. Clash is coming because of comment. Okay, we can keep both comments now, my dear. Okay, let me show this conflicts in one more angle with where we can keep both lines. Where we can keep what? Both line. Okay, let's do the same thing, guys. Let's go to developer one window here. Adding two numbers. What numbers? Adding two. Modified but not committed. Okay, array, it can be reverse also. TL from. Okay, here modified sum of two numbers. What numbers? Sum of two numbers. Save it and done. Save it what? Done. Tell me, guys. Adding two numbers. Adding two numbers. Commit and push. Commit and push. Okay, close. It's happening or not there? Okay, guys. This is adding two numbers, right? Now I'm trying to commit. Same lines I modified. Okay. Tell me, guys. This is a developer modification. Comment by developer. One. Already this is done. TL side committing is done, boss. TL side committee is done. Okay, that's great. Okay. Comment by developer one. Here is my, what is that? Master. Master. Here is what? Push. Push. We are getting non-fast fail forward or not, guys? This error, guys, rejected non-fast fail. Then what should I do? Pull operation. Team, where is that, guys? Pull. Pull. Tell me. Master, guys. Save finish. Now both changes are coming. This is local change. This is repository change. What I do is I close head, close this. TL has committed, then why errors came? Are developer also modifying the same lines, na? That too without getting pull. Sampada Tahare, after listening entire Ramayana, you are asking the who, why it happened. TL committed, but error came at what side, guys? Developer side. What modification done for the TL? Same lines are also modified developer. When developer try to commit, array, commit. According to developer, what? Line number 6 should have some content, but other than that, some other content is there. So it same line is modifying. So clash has come or not, guys? Okay, guys. Tell me here. I am removing it. Now I am keeping both comments. I don't have any problem. I'm keeping both comments over there, right? This one. Merge, guys. Commit and push. Save. Changes are taken. Commit and push. You have to choose it. Push. Changes are done or not done. But these are committed in the repository, but they are not there in the TL side, right? Or they are there in TL side, guys? Not there. Yeah, tell me here, what is this? Team pull. Save finish. Team pull, save finish. Adding two numbers. If I take same comment in dev side like same content, same comment means also error will come because already it is not matching with the existing content now, my dear. According to developer, head content is what? No comment, right? But when it is trying to commit it in the same line, other comment is there. Though that comment is matching with this comment, clash is clash now, boss. Okay, guys. Why two pull options are there? Very simple, guys. Pull dot dot means you can mention revision number to pull certain revision number code. Only pull without dot dot means what? Latest code will be pulled. Check it out. You're asking about this team pull dot dot. When I pull dot dot, you have to mention some details, guys. Which branch, which section details, all this stuff, right? Okay, when I say pull without dot dot dot, it always get the head code. Head code means what? Latest code. It always get the latest code. No queries asked. No queries asked. It's saying up to date, nothing to pull. But when I go for pull dot dot, you have to select something. You can say, I don't want lead code. I want that revision code, that branch code, this branch code, something is there. So there is options to provide, guys, right? I think you understood the clash kind of thing, guys. Okay, boss. Now I am coming to the actual discussion, which is very, very crucial, which is called Git or SVN working tree, boss. What is this? Git or SVN working tree. Keep this in mind a lot. This is very, very crucial, boss. Okay, na? Okay. In every repository, project will be maintained in three places: trunk or master, branches, and tags. What, guys? Tags. You just feel like a tree, boss. The basement is called what? Master branch, na? The basement is called master branch, also called a trunk, right? Observe the way plant will become tree, guys. How the plant will become tree. Actually, for the plant, when it is small, branches will come in the beginning of the trunk itself, beginning of the master branch itself, right? But they wantedly cut them, right? They wantedly cut initial branches, let it grow up to some height, then they allow branches. Did you notice that, guys? You look at any tree, in the beginning, whatever branches are there, okay, either they try to cut or they try to die automatically. After getting certain height for the master branch, nothing but trunk, then branches are allowed to spread or not, guys? Yes, master or trunk. The initial project will get some code. Okay, after that, first level stability, ready for first phase release, are ready for first demo. Up to this, everything they do in what? Master branch only, trunk only. That is kind of directory, some kind of directory. After that, when they are adding new features, new functionalities, they don't want to disturb the existing code. No modification should happen existing code. Then what they do, they take the copy of the master code, which is having first level stability, which is having what? First level stability. Come on, guys. Which is having first level stability. What level stability, guys? Which is really solidly having what? First level stability. Are you getting my point there, guys? Which is really solidly having what? First level stability. They create as a branch. Okay, first level stability code is there, na? On that, they will add that feature related code, guys. What code? That feature related code. Testings, everything will be done there. That feature also has become stable code. Now, this branch code, they merge with what? Trunk. So now master branch is having second level stability code now, boss. Without disturbing this, they need to develop the second feature. Again, they create one more branch. Come on. They create what? One more branch. They take the copy of the master. In that one, stability 1 code, stability 2 code is there. Feature 3 code is also added, tested. So that also becomes stable code. Now they will merge branch 2 with what? Master. Like this, either branches one by one or simultaneous multiple branches will be taken to add multiple features, multiple functionalities. Once everything is done, they will be merged back to what? Trunk or not, guys? They will be merged back to trunk or not, guys? They will be merged back to trunk or not? I want reply, my dear. Convinced with me or not, guys? Super, guys. Okay, now see. project repository. That means GitHub repository, whatever I created. In that one, what is there? Trunk or master branch. One folder only, don't think much. Okay, this is A. B. Okay. Initial project is kept there 10 to 15 days. What guys? 10 to 15 days. People will work on it. First level stability comes. Basic first level demo be ready, boss. Till that time, all additions, deletion, modification on the master branch only. Are you getting my point there, guys? All addition, deletions, everything on what, guys? Master branch only. That means they are allowing trunk to grow some height on its own, not having any side branches, right, boss? Not having what? Side branches. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yes, A, trunk is created. B, project is kept in trunk. On that one, all developers will work 10 to 15 days, addition, deletion, everything, until code becomes what? First level stability, guys. Okay, that's great. Okay, now focus, guys. A, B, A, B, C. After 10, 15 days, one sub team is created, okay, within the main team. For them, feature one task is given, but for them, one branch is created. This is the branches folder. In that one, pros1, UPA payment branch. What is there, guys? Some name for the branch, boss, UPI payment. Trunk will be only one folder, but in branches, multiple branches can be there. For every new functionality, one new feature, right? Pros1 UPA payment branch. That is branch one. Okay. What it is having? Same. After 10, 15 days, some code is there, na? That's a copy of trunk is there, right? The sub team that is created for this feature, UPA payment feature, will work on that branch, will add more code. They will complete UPA payment feature, na, my dear. They test it. It's working good. Creating branches, C. Working on 20-25 days and completing UPA payment is what? D. Once everything is done, guys, this branch one will be merged with the trunk or not, guys? This branch one will be merged with the trunk or not, guys? That is what? E. This branch one will be merged with the trunk or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. That is E, guys. That is merge option. What option? That is simply what option, guys? Merge option. Okay, that's great, guys. Yeah. Now, this master is having basic stability code and feature one code. Right. Now, net banking feature is there. That is another feature I want to add. So, one more branch is created now, boss. That is F. Pros 1 net banking branch 2. This is my pros 1 or not, guys? This is my really pros 1 or not, guys? I want reply, guys. This is really my pros 1 or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's great. This is really my what? Pros 1. For net banking feature, another team will work for 10-15 days. That's great. Once everything is ready, this will be merged back to trunk or not, guys? That will be merged back to trunk or not, guys? Come on. Okay, that's great. That will be merged back to trunk. Okay. So now trunk is ready with what? Second level feature also now here. Like this, for multiple feature, multiple branches are created, one after another simultaneously, concurrently. Suppose two, three features they want to develop simultaneously. Main team is divided into three teams. For three features are created or not, guys. And those features are merged back to home master. So now master only initial 10-15 days it may have unstable code. After 10-15 days, every time master branch will have stable code only in a boss. All experiments are happening on the branches or not, guys. So whatever it is, they don't want to disturb master branch code. That always maintains the stable code. That always maintains the stable code. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Come on. Okay, that's great. Okay, let us assume after adding these features like this, let us assume phase one ready, boss. Phase one is ready for release. Okay, don't one remember. After merging all the branches, that means all the features to trunk. On the trunk, one sanity test will happen. What test, guys? Sanity. Before releasing, final confirmation test is called what? Sanity test. Testers will do all testing. Sanity test will happen. Then project will be released. But before releasing, to mark what is being released, to mark what is being released, they create a one copy of a released copy, one copy of copy to be released, and they make it as what? Tag. There is a tags folder, guys. Come on. Tag 1, pros 1, release 0. Okay. All these tags are read only. They just maintain what is being released in a read only. No one can do any modification on them. No one can do any modification on them. Okay, sometimes what happens, when project is going on, in the middle, client representation will come for visit, guys. When they come for visits, these people will do hangama of what? Doing presentation or giving demo. Or what is being demonstrated, that also they tag. Because tomorrow that fellow should not come. That day you have shown something else. Today you are showing something else. So for that purpose, what is being demonstrated, that tag, that also will be marked in it as a tag or not, guys. Suppose 20 releases are done, 20 tags. 30 releases are done, 30 tags. 40 releases are done, 40 tags. Are you getting my point there, guys? 50 releases are done, 50 tags. Convinced with me, my dear. Come on, everyone. Got the clarity, my dear? Super, guys. It is the folder where initial project will be kept. It is the folder where initial project will be kept. What is that? Trunk or master branch or main branch. Basic feature of project will be developed by taking code from trunk itself. Once basic features are ready and code comes to stable code, that means no compilation error, then branches will be created from what? Trunk. All releases will happen from trunk after performing what? Sanity test. Say test before release is called sanity. Trunk should always maintain stable code and latest code. So this is about the trunk, guys. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Super, guys. Next, branch. A cut or copy of trunk at certain version or revision to develop different features is called what? Branch, guys. Once features development are completed, the branches will be merged back to whom, guys? Trunk. The branches will be merged back to trunk. Is it happening, my dear? Come on, everyone. Seriously, the branches will be merged back to trunk or not, guys? Literally, the branches will be merged back to trunk or not, guys? That is what I said. Once UPA payment feature is completed, it is merged back to trunk. Once what? Net banking feature is completed, it will be merged back to trunk or not, guys? Like this, once all features development is over, it will be merged back to trunk or not, guys? And you feel like what you know? You feel like hmm, trunk is base. Okay, branch one created, branch two created. All are attached to trunk means what? Everything is linked to trunk only, na, my dear. Everything is linked to trunk only, na. Super. Tag. A cut or copy of trunk that indicates what is being released to client, what is being demonstrated for client is called tag. Okay, it is always what? Read only copy. It is always what? Read only copy. Now here is my what? With respect to diagram. With respect to diagram. The DevOps person creates the repository in Git or SVN central repository having folders like what? Trunk, branches, tag. They are the basic folders. The TL keeps initial pros1 in the trunk and requests the team to work on pros1 of trunk for 10-15 days until basement of the project one is ready. First level stability comes. C. TL creates branch 1 having copy of trunk code. Team works on branch 1 for 20-25 days to complete UPA payment feature. Yes, my dear. Once that is ready, TL merges branch 1 code to trunk. TL creates branch 2 as a copy of trunk code. Team works on branch 2 for 10-15 days to complete feature called net banking. Then TL merges the branch 2 with what? Trunk. TLRPL release the project to client organization after completing sanity test. Also keeps released code as the tag for future reference. But later, that day you shown this day you shown this. Or the client organization missed the code because of some nature calamity. That time from the tag we can release the same version again, na boss? Sir, from trunk only you can release, na. Array, after first release, after 10 days, they said we lost the code because of nature calamity, send me code again. But in these 10 days, my trunk copy might have got another feature, na boss. So why should I release when if it is not official release, right, boss? That's why what is marked as a tag, from there we can happily release. For that only we are keeping it as a reference code or not, guys. Super, guys. Now I want to have diagrammatic representation of this whole thing, guys. I think no confusion on this. What is that? Trunk or master branch or main branch base. Feature 1, branch 1. Feature 2, branch 2. Feature 3, branch 3. One feature is developed, merged back to trunk. So overall, everything will be there in the trunk only. Why branches? Why don't you develop features on same trunk? Hurry, already code is stable. By working on stable code again and again, if you anyone modifies old file which are stable, or in the process of adding new feature, you have to modify existing line. Why to take chance, guys? Let's not disturb this. Let's go for it. Hurry, the people who do business, what they do, guys? They put some money. They put some money, right? Okay. They do business, they get the amount. Once they get the amount back, what they do? What they do? They keep the investment aside. They keep the investments aside and they try to rotate the business on the profit only. Na? With this investment, either try to grow the business by opening branches or they put in other business, right? That is what they do. Na? That's what they do business, right? They start branch one. They grow. Okay. On first level stability comes, some money comes out. With that one, they try to create the branches and link with main branch, na boss. They make main branch as head office. Remaining branches are what? Normal. Are you understanding my statement, guys? That's really nice, guys. Okay, now let's go to google.com. Let's get into google.com. Search. Arey, GitHub. Master and master branch. Master branch and branches image. Here are my images now, my dear. Yeah, look at this. Master is here. Mastery is here. Your work by creating branches. Come on. Merged here. Again, someone else work. They had created branches some level. Again, merged here. Come on, guys. Master initially. First level stability. Branch 1 created. Someone created one more branch from branch 1. Again, merged. Right? It can be any shape, my dear. It can be have what? Any shape. Look at this. Master. All masters are happening. Development is happening. They are release branches, tagging boss, tagging, feature branches, a number of branches are there or not there, guys. No, I want to feel like a tree, guys. As a tree. As a tree. It has given real tree. It has given real tree. Very bad. No, I am trying to look like a tree. In paint only I kept, huh? Sure, huh? No, I don't want to draw, guys. I'm just looking for that image. In paint, right, it's already there. Good, fine. Listen, guys. Tankar master branch here. Okay, branch 1 is created. Come on, guys. Branch 1, lot of things are. Next, branch 2, branch 3, branch 4. And at some level, it will be committed back to trunk or not. All these branches are committed back to trunk or not, guys. So this is the base. Up to some level, branch only grown, master branch only grown. Then they have taken the support of what? Branches committed to trunk. Taken the support of branches committed to trunk. Did you notice that? This is the representation. You just remember like a tree kind of thing. You want more clarity? I'll give this diagram also. Another model also. What is there? Main branch or master branch? It is growing, guys. It is growing. Something is added here. Something is added here or not, guys. Yeah. Look at this. This is what? Work. This is what? Work. Tell me. This is work. Feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, feature 4. Lot of features are added. All these are linked with what? This one. Master branch. Yes or no? Na? Any number of diagrams you see meaning is one and the same. You look at any number of diagrams, you see any number of this. Oh, Chinese. Okay. We don't want Chinese diagram. Some more meaningful diagram I want to get. I think better to take this. Master, version 1 release, version 2 release, version 3 release. Okay, that means these are the version. Accordingly, they are releasing. Development is going on. For different features, different features, different branches are created or not, guys. Different feature, different branches are created or not, guys. Okay. I take this. I also give this diagram. Where to paste, Rabab? Where to paste? Arey, why it is not allowing me to copy? Control plus shift plus O. Good. I think that website is not allowing me to copy. Yeah? Great feature. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to something else. Copy image. Okay. Say paste. What's happening, guys? Why it is not allowing me to paste the image? Control V. There is no paste option. Okay, it's coming. I think keyboard is having some issue. This is also another diagram we are having now. Right? Okay. Yeah, I'll stop the session here because I have some work. All right. Yeah, tomorrow it will be complete session. Tomorrow when we meet, we are going to see this diagram practically. How to create a branch, how to add features of that branch. Come on. How to merge it back to trunk. Fine. Okay, we assume the project is ready for release. How to create a tag. How to create a tag. Then we are one, two other small features are there. We are also going to discuss those small features. Interesting, guys. Right. That's great. Let's see what we can do here. I hope you are enjoying the GitHub tool. Easy or boring? Are you getting the feeling you are working for a company? I wantedly taken two windows to give that feel kind of thing. Okay. When I boring? Okay, good. Don't come from tomorrow. Every time I pull the code, it always asks me username and password. It is asking username password means you have not selected the store password option. If you select the store secured store password, then it won't ask. Vinay, if you feel boring, you know everything or you don't know anything. Okay, I think you are not ready for this class or you are over matured of content. So then don't come from tomorrow. I'm happy to teach those things who are enjoying the classes. Waste fellow. 5:30 p.m. Tools FS na? Where is Tools FS? This one? Yeah. Git GitHub. Right click. What is there? File upload. Right click file upload. Yes. Tools FS 701 Git GitHub session 2. Let me save the document. Save open. Thank you guys.